Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a last minute Christmas gift guide for her. Last minute because, well, it's me we're talking about, but I know other people can relate. So I want to get into this real quick. Everything that I mentioned will be linked in the description box as always. I did check online to make sure, and if you order these items today, they can get to you by Christmas, okay? So this is really last minute. So if you like anything, make sure to add it. This could be for your Christmas gift for your mom, your sister, your best friend, your aunt, your grandma, your cousin, whoever. Okay, time is of the essence, so let's get into it. In my opinion, for the holidays, sets are your best friend, whatever it may be. Clothing sets, makeup sets, skincare sets. So for beauty items, I highly recommend Rare Beauty. I've been using them all year and I love their makeup so much. So they came out with these cute little sets. They're perfect stocking stuffers or just a gift in itself. So this is the Soft Pinch Cheek and Lip Trio. It has a lip oil, it has a liquid blush and a regular powder blush. And this is their Fine Comfort Body Essentials. So this has their Bouncy Body Cream and their Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. The reason I love sets is because they're going to give you smaller versions of the original item. So if you haven't tried the product before, you can get some samples and see if you like it. If you haven't tried Rare Beauty yet, I highly recommend them. I feel like they're such great quality for an affordable price. Again, sets. So this is Glow Recipe. This is my favorite skincare. I've made videos about it. I've told you guys how much I love it. And they actually have a cute little set called Fruit Babies, I think. They have these products in a smaller size. So again, they're like a sample size to see if you or the person you're giving it to actually like it. They can try it out before they actually get like the full size product. And the small little set sizes are also perfect for when you're traveling too. Moving on to fragrances. These are my top 2 perfumes this year. I love them. So this is the Rare Beauty perfume by Selena Gomez. And this is the Replica Maison Margiela Afternoon Delight perfume. I love these scents. This one is a warm vanilla Madeline scent. And this one is kind of like a sweet, really light, powdery scent. Sometimes I put them on together and they just go really well together. If you want to add this to your Christmas list or if you want to get it for the lady in your life, I promise you they will love these scents. Water break. Next up, a water jug. Who doesn't love these though? These have been so popular lately, all the Stanley cups and everything. This one is a Simply Modern. I love it. I love how thin this one is. The Stanleys are a little bit too chunky for me. So I like the slim make of this cup, but any cup. The hydro jugs are really popular. I promise you, the lady in your life will be thankful because it'll help her stay hydrated. And that's important for a healthy body, healthy skin, healthy hair. So it's a win-win. Get her one of these. Next up is a silk sleeping bonnet. No, this is not your grandma's bonnet. This is from the brand Slip, and this is 100% silk, okay? I've had this for a few years now, and it is in such great condition. I use it almost every night. This is great for whether your hair is curly or straight. It just helps your hair to be less frizzy in the morning when you wake up. But let me tell you, this does not move all night. And I'm a side sleeper, so I sleep from side to side to side. It stays put. In the morning, I take it off and I'm like, oh, you're still here? And my hair is intact and it looks way less crazier than when I'm not wearing one of these. Now, I will say this price might shock you, okay? Because the price is up there because this is 100% silk. Now, if you want to get a satin one, that's fine too. But if you're able to get one of these or ask somebody for your own Christmas list, then I highly recommend it. These are great for your hair. Next is a cosmetic travel makeup bag. I'm telling you, every woman needs one of these in her life, whether she's going on vacation or even going to sleep over her mom's house. This one is from the brand Base. So it has a place for your mirror. It has a place for your brushes, a whole lot of space in there, and then there's some side pockets. This is a great option. I'm telling you, every woman needs a good travel makeup bag. Next up is small, chunky gold earrings. They are so trendy right now. It's very popular. I'm wearing some myself. See that? Really cute. There's so many different styles, but I have a pack linked from Amazon that I found. They're really cute, really stylish, and they go with a whole bunch of different outfits. That would make a great gift. And for the woman that has too much on her schedule, get her a planner. I love physical planners. I don't like doing things on my phone too much. And I found one that I'm so interested in that I have on my Christmas list. I don't have this yet, but it's the Still Planner. I found it online and it's so cute. It has like binder clips, so you can actually open them and change out the pages in them. So that's really cool because you can change it for every year. You don't have to buy a new planner every single year. So that would make a great gift. Next up, a cozy robe. You know the rules for us girls. If you get us anything cozy, we'll be happy. Pajamas, socks, robes, whatever. This one in particular, I love so much. I got this last year for Christmas. This is from Pottery Barn. I think it's like the Teddy robe or something like that. It's so warm. Oh my gosh, especially if you live in a cold state. This will keep you super warm. But I love how soft this is. Last but certainly not least, let me tell you guys, this is a great gift, a great white elephant gift, a great stocking stuffer for not just women, but anybody, okay? Dude wipes. And this is their Christmas edition. So this is called Dingle Bells. That's hilarious. Flushable wipes that you should always have in your home for yourself and your guests. It says they're made with clove, balsam, and other jolly-ish. It's made with 99% water and plant-based ingredients. Let me tell you, my dad and brother are obsessed with dude wipes, and they get so upset if I don't have my guest room stocked with some of these, because again, they would make a great gag gift because they're funny, but they're also like necessary. So I highly recommend these, especially the Christmas edition. So cute. So that about wraps it up for my last minute Christmas gift guide for her. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like anything on this list, let me know down below. Let me know which one was your favorite, or if you already had some of these on your Christmas list. I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't wait. I love gift giving, but I also love gift receiving, if you know what I mean. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.